Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Tactical Black Guy here, also known as Preston. I appreciate you guys joining for another video. Today I'm going to be taking a look at some shoes that were sent to me by a company that goes by the name of Indestructable Shoes. Now, if you guys have not been following me for a while, let me just tell you a little bit about myself. I do a lot of hiking, camping, outdoor activities just about every single weekend. So my shoes take a beating. So when this company reached out to me and asked me to try and destroy their shoes, I figured, hey, this is a good opportunity to test out the durability of these shoes, and also just to have an extra pair of shoes to do my outdoor activities. So these are supposed to be nearly indestructible. So what I'm going to do over the next week is I'm going to put these to the test. I'm going to try to cut them up, burn them, hike with them, put them in water, anything I can to literally destroy these shoes. And this is exactly what the company asked me to do. See if I could destroy them. Once I do that, they're going to send me another pair. So let's talk about what these are made out of really quick. This is not a review video. This is just kind of like an unboxing to let you know that these are out there. So price point on these around $74. If you look over here on my iPad, I'm actually on their Instagram right now. So on these shoes, you got protective steel toe cap. You got anti-slip rubber sole. You got additional shock-proof layer underneath this portion of it. You got an anti-puncture steel midsole. And as you can see, this is in like a green camo. They come in various different colors. And as I said, I'm just scrolling through their Instagram. So protective steel toe caps, anti-puncture base, skid-proof technology. So these things seem to be pretty amazing. I've watched some videos of several people trying to destroy these, and they weren't very successful, and they did a lot of different tests. So this is my first time doing a video of this kind. I'll come back in about a week, and I'm going to show you guys what these look like after I've beat them up. I appreciate you guys watching. Down below, I'm going to include the contact information for Indestructible Shoes if you guys want to go to their website and check these out. I'm Tactical Black Guy, and I appreciate you watching. I'm out. Peace.